Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae right back at you with yet another video. To our newbies, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the Diamond family. Go ahead and click the subscribe button below and also the notification bell so that you will be notified as soon as I drop another video. Today we are going to get into my monthly subscription of the Boxy charm. This is my second month receiving Boxy charm. So far so good. I love the service. I just wish I would get it sooner in the month. Like right now, today is the 17th, I believe. It's a Monday, but I actually received this Saturday. I had some things to do this weekend, so unfortunately I wasn't able to bring it to you as soon as I got the box. But that's neither here nor there. Today we are going to get into it and I am going to show you what I got. So if you're interested, you know what to do. And for the Boxy charm for the month of September, their theme is actually wildflowers. So let's get into this box. I am going to read off the product description just so you guys have a little bit better knowledge of what's going on inside this box. First thing that jumps out on me that I'm so happy that I got was the Laura Geller New York. It is the Baked Blush and Brighten, and it is in Tropic Hues. I was worried to death that I wasn't going to get it. I'm going to swatch it for you guys, and I'm kind of glad I did. It's that super rich pink. Let's see if it'll swatch on me. Yeah, I'm here all day for that. I'm here all day for that. So I'm going to have some fun playing with that. The Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $28. So that's nice. Even just this product alone was more than I paid, which is $21 per month for Boxy charm. Up next I see the, is it Alamar Cosmetics? I'm not even gonna try it. It's the brush set. It's 3. They're made from 100% synthetic fibers. Got a flat liner brush. You have a fluffy blender brush and then a painter brush. They feel very good, very soft. Actually, the blending brush kind of seems a little too flimsy for me, but we'll see how that translates on the lid. And you know, I love brushes that were my first love in makeup. So I'm excited to have these around, and I'm sure that you'll see them in a future video. The manufacturer's suggested retail price of these bad boys are $18. Up next, we have the Butter London, which I don't think I own anything from Butter London. Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. I always thought that the roll-on liner was very gimmicky. That's why I never bought anything that proclaimed it was a roll-on liner. But I'm curious to try this out. Give it a little shake. Let's put it on the back of my hand. Let's see what it's going to do. I mean, it gave me a smooth, even, very thin line. I just don't know if that's something that's going to work for me, you know? But I'll give it a try. I'll let you know. The suggested retail price of this is $19. We also have in here Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color. And I have this in the shade Cabernet. Could have opened that a little bit better than that, but how do you get in this thing? So it's, honestly, it's like the lipstick I have on right now, which I love. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I broke it. I'm gonna have to melt it back together. That breaks my heart. But yes, it is this maroon color. Kind of like what I'm wearing now. It's just maybe a little bit lighter. So like I said, the suggested retail price of this is also $19 as well. And it looks like last but not least, everyone got this in their palette. It is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale eyeshadow palette. The suggested retail price of this is $35. Let's pull that up. It does come with a mirror, which I am going to love, especially when taking it for traveling. I was a little worried about this palette because I didn't believe that it would have colors in it that would suit my skin tone. And as you see, I'm just swatching it right there. Sweetheart, I was wrong. I was wrong. The only color I might not like is the Swoop. It seems to be like a cool kind of color. I don't really care for cool colors. But this all-nighter, yeah. I'm going to definitely enjoy using that. So all in all, I really do like this month's box. The Wildflower, the Pretty Vulgar palette was $35. The Baked Brush was $28. The brush set was $18. The Pro Matte lip color was $19, and then the Butter London was $19 as well. Which, if I am doing my math right in my head, that's about $119. So well worth the $21 that I dished out for this. And second month, BoxyCharm did not disappoint. So, Diamonds, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and leave them below. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And Diamonds, as always, until next time. On the racks and I'm fine.